And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everybody. This is thahir, Silver Lion distributor from Tiens, Somali under Kenya branch. Today in this video I would like to talk about a little bit about my background and some insights and my personal experience in Tiens business. I will be answering some few chosen questions that will give you a general impression. As far as I remember, I've always been curious as a kid, always building stuff and learning. In my early childhood, what we used to do, me and my friends, we lived in a countryside, so most of our fun times were had in the wild, chasing goats and camels, jumping off trees, swimming in lakes, and playing traditional games with my friends. I do really remember. I speak as now in 3 languages, Somali as my native language, English and Arabic fluently. If I tell you what are my inspirations it's the challenges, and most importantly, to the people I look up to. I am fortunate that I have grown up a lots of challenges in my life, and I was always inspired to overcome them and prove myself. Tiens President Lee Junyan has been one of my favorite inspiration also since I have ever discovered the network marketing business. Today, if I had a chance that everybody should follow my words, I would say to you, take this notice with yourself. There are 3 notices. Number 1, believe yourself. Believe yourself. Trust the company and believe the company. Number 3, trust the success process. And that means, number 1, you need to believe yourself so as you can do it. And secondly, that the company can offer you and has the integrity. And thirdly, believe the success process and the principles of success law. We always had challenges. But how I handle the challenges in my experience is, I started with simplifying with vision. And also when we have challenges, I give my downline and my team a courage. We're doing the hardest task as a leader, so they flow me from there. And when they see me doing the hard work, they also do it. You know, there is a time which after you spend money on, and later you feel it was totally waste of time. I have discovered that spending money to recruit people hasn't always been successful. Instead of we market the business opportunity and show to people how beneficial it is. When it comes to Tiens products are always amazing. And my favorite products is included Tiens Lipid Metabolic Management Tea. Because I had a news here in the early in the mornings if I try to have some breakfast. So, but when I have used it, Tiens Lipid Metabolic Management Tea, it has helped me out of it. And now I can eat in the morning for good. Everyone loses, as we know, everyone loses motivation and gets distracted because we are all human. But I think differently, but how I think differently and motivated, while I barely couldn't able to pick up the phone and call my next prospect, is I envision the future I had always dreamed of. And I remind myself that if I don't hard work today, there will be no possibility of achieving my dreams and fulfilling my desires, so as I can enjoy the good life I've been dreaming of. Also, there are a few times that I had wondered if I had discovered earlier the solution of my problems would be nice. I think one of my biggest moments in this business was simplifying operations and logistics and the importance of working smart, not hard work. There was a time when we had difficulties receiving products and shipping them was very risky in terms of cost and legality. So we suddenly realized that by routing our shipment from Kenya instead of Ethiopia, we could eliminate all the risk with that because of the company branch was not here in Somali markets. So that's why we have found, that was the things I have found, and it was one of my moments I remember. Today, if I tell you one book that I would recommend you, I would recommend you one book for everyone to read to grow their own business. It's the book Business of the 21st Century by Robert Kiyosaki. It's my all-time favorite books with a great insight and inspiration. Today, if I was to start Tien's business all over again from scratch, the first thing that I will do is to go out and find some prospect. To do a physical prospect, 80%, and a 20% online prospect. Because a face-to-face is very powerful experience, and it creates a good relationship. That's all for now, guys. Thank you, and have a great day, everybody. See you again.